Dal Chana Recipe. Welcome to Chef Mariam's website. Here, you'll find the delicious recipes, cooking tips, and culinary journey of the renowned chef, Mariam. With her expertise in the kitchen, Chef Mariam has been serving mouth-watering dishes to her guests for over a decade. She is a true master of her craft, and her passion for cooking is evident in every dish she prepares. On Chef Mariam's website, you'll find a wide range of recipes, including appetizers, entrees, desserts, and much more. Whether you're a beginner cook or an experienced chef, you'll find recipes that cater to your level of expertise. Each recipe is accompanied by detailed instructions, making it easy for you to follow and recreate the dish at home. You'll also find tips on the best ingredients to use, cooking techniques, and kitchen tools, so you can cook like a pro. One of the highlights of Chef Mariam's website is the cooking blog, where she shares her culinary journey and offers valuable insights into the world of cooking. From her travels to different countries to her experiences working in various kitchens, Chef Mariam shares it all. Her passion for cooking and food is evident in every blog post, and you'll be inspired by her stories and her love for the culinary arts. Chef Mariam also offers cooking classes, where she teaches aspiring chefs and home cooks the art of cooking. With her hands-on approach, Chef Mariam ensures that each student leaves the class with a better understanding of cooking techniques and the confidence to create delicious dishes at home. If you're interested in taking a cooking class, simply visit the cooking classes section of the website to find out more. In conclusion, if you're a foodie or simply love to cook, Chef Mariam's website is the place for you. Here, you'll find an abundance of delicious recipes, cooking tips, and culinary inspiration. So, whether you're looking for your next dinner party dish or simply want to learn more about cooking, Chef Mariam's website has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Explore the site today and start cooking. Introduction. 1. What is Chef Mariam's website? Chef Mariam's website is a platform dedicated to the culinary journey of renowned chef, Mariam. 1. Here, you'll find a wide range of recipes, cooking tips, and valuable insights into the world of cooking. 2. Range of recipes. The website features a variety of delicious recipes, including appetizers, entrees, desserts, and more. 2. Whether you're a beginner cook or an experienced chef, you'll find recipes that cater to your level of expertise. 3. Cooking blog. Chef Mariam's website also features a cooking blog, where the chef shares her culinary journey and offers valuable insights into the world of cooking. 3. You'll be inspired by her passion for cooking and food, and her love for the culinary arts. 4. Cooking classes. Chef Mariam also offers hands-on cooking classes, where she teaches the art of cooking to aspiring chefs and home cooks. 4. You'll leave the class with a better understanding of cooking techniques and the confidence to create delicious dishes at home. 5. Convenient resource. Whether you're looking for your next dinner party dish or simply want to learn more about cooking, Chef Mariam's website is the perfect resource. 5. So, whether you're a foodie or simply love to cook, explore the site today and start cooking. 5. Chef Mariam is a renowned chef known for her passion for food and her expertise in the kitchen. Her special touch and unique cooking style have made her one of the most sought-after chefs in the culinary world. Today, she is sharing one of her favorite recipes with us, Dal Chana. This simple yet flavorful dish is a staple in Indian cuisine and is a must-try for anyone who loves good food. For this recipe, you'll need the following. Ingredients. 1 cup dried chickpeas, chana dal. 2 tablespoons oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 large onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. 1 green chili, chopped. 2 large tomatoes, chopped. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt, to taste. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, chopped. Instructions. 1. To start, soak the dried chickpeas in water for at least 4 hours or overnight. 1. Once they have soaked, drain the chickpeas and set them aside. 2. Then, heat the oil in an enormous pan over medium intensity. 2. Add the cumin seeds and cook until they begin to sizzle, around 30 seconds. 2. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, grated ginger, and chopped green chili to the pan and cook until the onion is soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. 3. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook until they are soft and mushy, about 5 minutes. 3. Stir in the coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and salt to taste. 3. Cook for one more moment, until the flavors are fragrant. 4. Add the drained chickpeas to the pan and pour in enough water to cover the chickpeas by about 2 inches. 4. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let the chickpeas simmer for about 30 minutes, or until they are tender. 5. Once the chickpeas are tender, use a potato masher or a fork to gently mash some of the chickpeas. 5. This will help thicken the sauce. 5. Cook for another 5 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened to your liking. 6. To finish, sprinkle the chopped coriander leaves over the dal and serve hot with rice, roti, or naan. Chef Mariam's recipes are always easy to follow and produce fantastic results every time. If you're looking for more inspiration in the kitchen, be sure to check out the rest of Chef Mariam's recipes on her website. With her wealth of knowledge and experience, Chef Mariam is the perfect guide for anyone looking to improve their cooking skills and create delicious meals in the kitchen. In conclusion, Dal Chana is a must-try for anyone who loves good food. With its simple yet flavorful ingredients, this dish is a staple in Indian cuisine and is sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. So why not give it a try today and discover the magic of Chef Mariam's cooking for yourself? Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, Chef Mariam's recipes are sure to inspire you and bring a new level of excitement to your cooking. Chef Mariam's special information is known for her passion for food and her expertise in the kitchen. Her special touch and unique cooking style have made her one of the most renowned chefs in the culinary world. And when it comes to Dal Chana, Chef Mariam's recipe is truly special. Here's why. Her love for authentic ingredients. Chef Mariam believes that using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to creating a delicious dish. For this recipe, she uses dried chickpeas, chana dal, that have been soaked to perfection, giving the dish a perfect texture. The perfect blend of spices. Chef Mariam's recipe for Dal Chana is renowned for its perfectly balanced blend of spices. She uses a combination of cumin, coriander, and red chili powder to give the dish its signature flavor. The secret to perfect consistency. Chef Mariam's expertise in the kitchen is evident in the consistency of her Dal Chana. By mashing some of the chickpeas, she creates a thicker sauce that is both satisfying and delicious. The finishing touch. Chef Mariam always adds the final touch to her dishes with a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves. This simple yet effective step gives the dish an extra burst of flavor that elevates it to the next level. Personal touch. What makes Chef Mariam's recipe truly special is her personal touch. She has a deep love for cooking and food, and this shines through in every dish she creates. With her recipe for Dal Chana, you'll taste the passion and love that goes into every step of the cooking process. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's recipe for Dal Chana is truly special. With her love for authentic ingredients, her perfect blend of spices, and her personal touch, this dish is a must-try for anyone who loves good food. So why not give it a try today and discover the magic of Chef Mariam's cooking for yourself?